Hello guys, welcome back to Insanity Ultimate. Let's see what today's challenge is. Today's challenge is to guess what's inside Suitcase. Whoever gets it right will win immunity, and whoever gets it wrong will be up for elimination. Suitcase. Is it some tissues? Wrong. Is it some grapes? Box can't answer, so he is up for elimination. Is it that thing that she stole from the meat cloud? Correct. It's something she stole from the meat cloud. Correct. It's something she stole from the meat cloud. Correct. It's something she stole from the meat cloud. Correct. So you guys are safe, and they are up for elimination. So tissues, box, and cherries, come to me to the elimination center. The contestants will be voting which one of you will be eliminated. OJ? I'm voting for tissues because I can't stand any more of sneezing. I say tissues. I guess I choose cherries because they didn't like my last joke. I choose tissues. I choose box. And with that, tissues is officially eliminated. What? I'm sorry, tissues. You played a great game. So, goodbye. And that's it for Insanity Ultimate. We'll come back tomorrow. Bye.